Hey y'all, what's going on? It's your boy to the Lute. So I'm back with another unboxing. I already unboxed the black one already, but this is actually the Desert Titanium. Um, Let me go on. I'll read the specs to y'all if y'all want to. Let me see. You read the specs. Some people want to hear the specs again, so I go down the specs once again. So display 6.3 inches, 458 ppi, 120 hertz. Apple 18 Apple A18 Pro chip. This one is 128 gigabytes. You can also get it in 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. Main camera 48 megapixels. Wide is 48. Telephoto is 12. Macro is 48. 4K 60 frames. Um, yeah, 4K 60 frames. Got Dolby Vision, slow motion up to 120 frames in 4K. I believe that's what it says. Front camera 12 megapixels. The weight look like it says 7.3 ounces. Of course, it's USB Type C, Wi-Fi 7, eSIM, fast charging 20 watts, MagSafe up to 25 watts. And that's pretty much it. All right. So let me go ahead and unbox this for y'all. Now I did get this with Metro, um, 800 and hell, man, 800 and something. It was 800 and something dollars. When you port your phone number over, you get it for like 800 and something dollars. Including a plan. So something like that. But all right. Nice color. Okay, it's pretty decent. iPhone do a good job too, just in this, it's just this big camera thing. Like, I wish they just had like one to be looking real clean. But I mean, it is what it is. Of course, you don't got too much in the box. USB Type C. I should have a few of these already. This would just be your information with the pin in there. So you should keep all this together in here. Now, I actually do have the Pixel, so let's bring that over here too. So check that out. Damn, they're almost the same color a little bit. This is a little bit lighter. I don't know if it look a little different when you got like when you turn the light off. This one actually look white. So check this. Turn the light on again. So check that out. And like I said, I just the button placement with them is just I love the button placement. That's the only what I mean. Um, I ain't gonna lie. So like I said, this ain't no comparison, nothing like that. But I think like if you want to go Android and iPhone, I think these would be the top. Like I would say whatever Pixel phones coming out and whatever definitely the top of the line Android and definitely be top of the line as far as the iPhone. iPhone only come out with iPhone anyway. You know what I mean? But as far as Android, usually a lot of times it will be Samsung, but the Pixel phone definitely made like a decent little comeback right now. They design it just well, all right, yeah, my bad. Because I'm about to go into this supposed to be the unboxing, so I was about to go into a whole nother situation. So my bad, So if you iPhone watching this, my bad. I was ready to go into a whole nother situation with y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna try to test this out. So basically, like I said, I got this, and then yeah, of course you got the little what is that camera button? I think this is just dumb as hell though, but I guess it's cool. When you're holding a phone like this, you know what I mean? But like, you could probably still do a lot of this with the power button though. You know what I mean? When it's, what I mean? It's like, but I understand it though. It's just they wanted to make something a little bit new, but hopefully they don't keep this around too long when the 17s and stuff coming out. I don't know if it's a lot of people gonna be really using this a lot. I don't know. Maybe your photographers, and it seemed like Apple just starting to really make the phones now for photographers, or seem like they just getting everybody into photography. That's the selling point so much. They might as well just come out with an Apple camera. Just do that. You know what I'm saying? Just Apple camera, about $600. Just do that. That y'all probably they probably make good money doing that too as well. I think Sony make a lot of these sensors any damn way. You know what I mean? So just do that. Just come out with an Apple camera or something like that. Maybe you could make it look like an iPhone or something. You know what I mean? Have the little thing in the back like Samsung did before when they had the little Samsung camera phones. Because Samsung made this like a digital camera. You know what I mean? So I would say go that way. You know, adding all these extra buttons and all that. Like, come on, you know, whatever. But so far, like I said, first impression is real nice. I like the goldness of it. And the thing about it too, man, a lot of times with these phones, you really don't want to put a case on these. One thing I do like, I'm just feeling it now, is that the grip. Even the back is smooth too, but like even with just with the Apple logo, you tend to like it's not real slippery or nothing like that. And I think these edges and all this, as far as the way how that look like that, they got a nice little grip in the hand. So it's crazy that a lot of times I wouldn't even want to put I wouldn't want to put a case on this any damn way. All right, yo. So this just been an unboxing of that. I'm gonna play around with the phone. I can't activate it, right? So because only reason I'm saying that because going back to this as well, I'm still stuck in between which phone I want. I got this from Target. I gotta return this back the 20 before the 21st if I don't want it. With this one, I got 4 days left, and I might have 3 days left now. You know what I mean? Because the lady was telling me I will have, that's why I'm gonna play around with it tonight and tomorrow, and because if not, I gotta return it. It depends on what I want to keep, but I'm gonna go through the iPhone and play around with it. And I'm gonna see how I like it, and see how the ecosystem and everything. I haven't been Team iPhone for a couple of months now. You know what I mean? I've been messing with these Android phones, these Motorola phones. These the Motorola Edge. I actually been messing with this phone a lot. So yeah, man. So it's just been an unboxing. I just wanted to share that with y'all a little bit. I know I was talking too much. Ain't really no setup or nothing like that. Like I said, if I do return this phone, I can't activate the phone neither. So I'm gonna try to not connect it to any Wi-Fi or anything like that or whatever. I'm gonna just try to hurry and see if I can skim through it. So I can't, because everything is eSIM. As you can see, like I said, no more SIM card slots nowhere or nothing like that. So all right, man, it's your boy. It look like the same damn phone, don't it? Like it's crazy, like same damn phone almost. Oh, it's crazy though. The pixel actually a little taller. Just a little bit taller. I didn't know that. Hmm. But they both light though. I feel like the pixel might be a little lighter. I think because of that damn camera bump too as well. All right, man. It's your boy to the Lute. Appreciate y'all watching. Take care. Peace.